Hey y'all, so I look bad as always. Sophia and I,
Hi.
we just been chilling. So today we are gonna do what?
We are going.
Oh,
We are going to get rid of some stuff, and we're going to get some Barbies to new people, so if they don't have Barbies, we're going to give it to you.
yeah, and the kitchen too, right?
And be in the kitchen too.
So we are getting rid of some old toys. Oh, excuse me, and her kitchen, so we can make space for our American Girl dolls and our generation dolls, right?
Yes, and before we get started, press my button, turn on kitchen, give me a huge thumbs up.
Yeah. No, we don't. So I got a phone call. It was
Grandpa.
her grandpa, my dad. So
Today, when it was Christmas, I got a phone.
oh, she did. She got a phone. So, and it got credit cards and all of that cool stuff. So,
And don't forget, look.
what? Take pictures for selfies. So yeah, we about to get this clean up. So I'm kind of gonna do like a quick through of the cleanup first, and then I will come back, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, but then we'll come back and then we'll talk about what's gonna happen next. Cause I might change the curtains. I might put new sheets and covers on your bed.
What color is it?
Pink.
No. What is going to be? The covers are going to pink. The pink.
It's like pink and white pillows with unicorns.
I love unicorns.
So I might do that today. I don't know. I was waiting for her new bed, but I think when I get her new bed, I'm gonna get a whole new comforter and set, whatever. But because I seen one on Pottery Barn Kids, but yeah, I think we might do that today, right?
Yes.
All right, let's get it.
Let's get this started, huh? Let's get this. They're going to watch us, okay?
Yeah, they're going to watch us. Alright, so the kitchen is gone. I freed up tons of space. This is all under Sophia's bed. I gotta get these shoes out of here. Because this was kind of like Christmas. I mean, summer sandals. So I could put these back up in the closet. Because a lot of these she still need to grow into. And then we got her doll clothes here. I feel like we had another bag of doll clothes. But me and her did not know what happened to them or where they went. So it's somewhere in here, probably in a book bag or something somewhere, but I don't know. So yeah, it's a disaster. It's a disaster right now, but it's gonna come together. I think I'm gonna change out the curtains today too, because I did buy curtains before, so I might change out the curtains. I might put on my new bed comforter too, I'm not sure. I might put it on. But yeah, I'm about to get it popping. So update, my camera keeps cutting off, but what's this? So I finished everything. I need to figure out something to do with the pepper stuff on the floor because that's really irritating me. Her makeup is probably gonna stay there for now because she takes that out every morning. Camera cut off again. So like I was saying, I need to get the pepper stuff over here straightened up. The makeup is gonna stay there. I put on her new comforter. Let me show you guys. I showed this in the vlog, but I got this from, what you call this place? Home Goods. So the comforter is like mermaids and the sheets are little unicorns, and the comforter came with like 2 pillows. So yeah, those are just her beds that she sleeps with. I fixed up the diner. I'm probably gonna go and fix up the ice cream truck again, and then I'm gonna vacuum, you know, wipe everything down, spray, and hopefully my camera doesn't cut off so I can show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, let's get it. Oh my god, I feel like this is never gonna end. Oh, I put up new curtains. I like them, they're really sheer, but that means that when the sun comes up in the morning, it's gonna shine really brightly through. So the room is clean, thank god. I am done. I'm so done and I'm so tired. I've been doing this for hours. I started at probably like 3 and it's 8:50. 8:50, y'all. I cannot believe it, but I'm done. I am so done. No more cleaning. Hopefully she keeps it neat and things in its place. Got rid of a lot of stuff, but we still got a lot of stuff, so hopefully it works. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you all enjoyed my long ass clean with me, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon.